So for our project, we are using two photon particles that will communicate with each other and send messages to cause lights to blink. So what happens is, for the first photon particle, you will connect this or complete the circuit by connecting this wire, which acts as a button, and that sends a message from the first photon particle to the second one, causing the light to blink, as you just saw. And then the second one does the same thing by connecting this wire, causing the first photon particle to blink. And we are using this to gain the attention of the other user.